Welcome to my YouTube channel, Market Mantra with Bhushan Shandar. In today's video, we are going to see a formation, what is called a harami. Okay, not our Hindi wala harami. This is a Japanese term. Harami actually stands for a pregnant woman. Okay, classically, word harami indicates body within a body. Right. Now, this is slightly weaker reversal pattern. Can be bullish, can be bearish. That is why the name bullish harami and bearish harami. How is it? How does it look? Let us see that. Harami candles are body within the body. As you can see that bearish harami. There is a long white candle and a small white or black candle, which is completely inside the body of the previous candle. Right. Remember, it is advantageous if the second candle is of opposite color, but it is not a necessity because it itself indicates losing the momentum, loss of momentum. Original trend was strongly up and suddenly a candle comes which is down. Or original trend was down, suddenly a candle comes which is up. Opposite color is advantageous but not necessity. If you see the original work by Steve Nissen says it can be anywhere within the body of previous candle. But my personal observation, if it is crossing the midpoint of previous candle, the impact is more reliable. Okay. So according to Steve Nissen, even if it is little higher, little lower, doesn't make a difference. But if it is crossing the midpoint, better. Okay. So let us see what is a bullish harami. So first candle is black bodied candle. Second candle is a white bodied candle, which is completely engulfed by the previous black body. Right. So high is also higher, low is also lower than the second day's candle. So first day's candle is higher, low is lower. Okay. So that is the harami candle, body within the body. The stock is in a downtrend. On the second day, it suddenly opens higher than previous day's close and closes below the previous day's open. Then it qualifies to be a harami. Usually, when there is short covering, people have shorted, stock has gone down, but now people are just covering their shorts, thinking that it's not likely to go down further. So short covering will push the price of the stock up, absorb the selling pressure. Only appearance of harami, it's not indicating you go in the opposite direction. But if you are short, you book profit when harami appears. If next day you get a white candle which goes above the previous day's high, then you can think of buying. So you require a confirmation on the third day. This is a two candle pattern. Third day should be confirming it. Okay. So it is a strong pattern, but not as strong as belt hold or engulfing lines, and these which we have studied in different videos. In bearish harami, what happens on the other hand? The stock is in uptrend. First day is a long white candle. Next day you get a black bodied candle such that its high is lower than previous candle's high. Low is higher than previous candle's low. All right. So your first day's white line is a completely engulfing next day's black candle. Completely. Right? Size of the candle, I already said. Actually, Steve Nissen doesn't put any restriction on it. It should be a small body. And as I said, if it is going downwards, closing below the midpoint of previous white candle, it is more likely to give you a bearish reversal. But again, I repeat, harami are weaker reversal patterns relative. Sometimes, the second candle is a doji. Even doji, which is called a harami cross, even that indicates it is a reversal pattern. Okay, see the chart here. The stock was falling. One day you got a nice long black candle. Next day, what happened? A small white candle, which is completely inside the first black candle's body within the body. But it is a bullish harami. Next day, the stock went up and then the uptrend continued. Right? That is how a typical harami candle looks. Two candle pattern. A bearish harami. Now, as you can see at the top, the stock is in uptrend. There is a long white candle. Next day, there is a small black candle. Body within the body. Shadows may be overlapping. But that gave bearish reversal. Stock started falling from that. Okay. This is actually a lovely chart. You can see so many different formations here. But right now, let us focus on harami only. See here. Here is a bullish harami. Again, a body within the body. Second day's body is quite long, but still it is completely engulfed within first day's body. So downtrend has got turned into an uptrend after the formation of this harami. So keep an eye on harami candles. They are very useful in deciding when to exit the previous positions or maybe creating positions in the new direction. Right? Can you spot a harami over here? Just try spotting an harami. Can you? Yes, at the top. That's right. It's a bearish harami. From there, the stock started falling. And just, 5-6 candles later, you find a harami cross. There's a black candle, a cross, doji, and then a bullish candle, taking the prices high. Okay. So that is harami candle. Very useful. If you like the information, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so you'll come to know about the new videos immediately. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Market Mantra with Kush.